Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Technology with Amit. So in the previous video we are starting the concept or the code or the program of course of the Python programming language. So in this video we are just further work on this particular concept of day 1 Python. So we are just change with day 1 or day 2 with a name like day 1 day 2. So after this we are first clearing we are learning about the variables. So in the variables we are learning declaring the variable or some getting that in variable or some like output of the variable and the type of variable. So after this we are just clearing the concept of casting. So we are knowing the concept of casting. First I am just declaring a variable x equal to, we are just casting with like data of the particular, like in the string we are passing 4. So you get x is to be in the form of a string. So you just find the type of this particular x. So you get in the form of a string, but we are passing integer type of data, but you will get an answer in the string format. So this is the concept of casting, type casting. So basically they will change the type of data, but in this you just know the concept with with some limitations, like you are not changing some kind of data in particular some kind of format. So there are some limitations. You are changing the integer into the string, or maybe the float into the string, or some like maybe the integer in the float. So but you are not changing the string value in the integer, like you want to change the name of particular person. Like I just take example, I am changing the name of Amit in the particular integer. So this is not possible. So they will give you the error or some not output of this particular code. So you may know the concept of this. After knowing this concept, you just use this concept. So after this we are clearing the concept of valid and invalid variable names. So first I am just clearing with the valid names. So valid names is are, we are creating a heading. So you know about the concept of how to create a heading. So we are creating heading with the size of 3. So this is decreased with the first heading. So you would see this is our first heading. So this is our second heading. So valid variable names are we are creating a variable name with myvar. So this is a valid variable name because we are using a normal letters or the words in this particular declaring variable. Or also we are just the name we are uniquely named. So first we are using underscore, in the underscore we are using myvar. So this is also a unique variable. If you also use like my and underscore where, and in this we are just passing our value. So this is also a valid variable. This is also valid variable. If you want to assign value in the camel case, so like we are just declaring variable, our first starting with the small letter, but in the middle we have is capital letter. So this is our camel case valid variable name. After this we are just making a variable with the all is capital letters. So I just declare with the all capital letters. This is also a valid variable name. So these are some valid variable names. If you want to use the number value in this particular variable, so you just like myvar 20 or maybe 12 equal to 10. Those, this is also a valid variable name because these all the line of code is to be executed simply, and they will not give you any type of error. After this we are just clearing the concept of invalid variable name. You just don't use in your program or the application or the project. So invalid variable names are like valid invalid names. We are creating a heading with the size of 3. So we are adding 2 more heads in this. So invalid variable names are those, we are just in the starting we are using number values. So I just using number 2, and after this we are just writing myvar. So they will give you the invalid syntax error because we are using an invalid variable name. So this is the invalid variable name. After this we are just writing my minus operator with where. So they also will give you a error because we cannot assign we cannot assign to operator. So we are not assigning the value to the operator. They will, this is to be operator, this is operator. You equal to, but we are using this is also to be operator. In that code, the equal we have like my variable equal to sorry my equal to where equal to 10. So my and where all both are stored 10 values. So you can get my is also stored 10 and where is also stored 10. So they will execute it. The valid variable name. So after this we are just one more invalid type of variable name is to be like if you are using maybe a like if you are using any type some built-in type of structure like if loop and some in between operator and some different kinds of valid or built-in type of functions. So this is also give you an error, or the error type of invalid syntax is to be my, and the my we are using space. So this is also a invalid type of variable name. So after this we are just knowing the concept of global variable and local variable. So I just write a code for that. So global variable, so we are declaring a comment for this. So the name of the particular variable is to be global variable. We are creating a global variable. So the name, my name is to be Amit. This is to be a global variable. We are declaring on the top of the program. After we are declaring one function. So with the help of def keyword, in the next videos, upcoming videos, we are learning about the concept of functions, loops and all. But in this we are clearing the concept of global variable. The spelling of global is to be wrong, so I just change this. So this is correct. So after this we are just concept of the function we are clearing with the help of def keyword. So def will make function. So our function name is to be my fun. We are creating a function. In this particular function we are just printing like my name is, or we are passing like name here, and also we are just calling this function. So my fun, we are calling this function, and you can see we have output like my name is Amit. We are declaring the variable in the top of the program and use this particular variable in the function. So they will give you the output like my name is, and the particular this variable name is stored Amit. So they will give you my name is Amit. You also use this particular variable in the bottom of the program. So they will give you the first they call of function. So my name is Amit. After that we are just printing the name of the particular variable. So they will store Amit. So you know the concept is to be clear, but you just create a same with local variables. So like we are creating this is on the function. So our function is to be name to. You can see we are just calling this function. So the program is to be executed because we are storing this. So also in this we are storing our name is to be Amit2. We are declaring a local variable in the function block of code function. So they will give you answer my name is Amit2, because we are using this particular variable local variable in the range of function. But if you are using this particular name of variable name2 in the bottom of the program, so they will give you error name2 is not defined, because the range of the local variable in the particular block of code, like we are declaring a name2 variable in the function my function, so that only use in the range of function my function. So this is the concept of local and the global variable. In the next video we also clearing the concept of operator. So our next video is to be on the operators, like what type of operators we are covering maybe three type of operator, like the concept of logical operator, arithmetic operator, comparison operator, or some bitwise operator. So thank you. Subscribe my YouTube channel Technology with Amit. Thank you.